without any papel lang ito. You better go back to them and have the legal. Wala, for what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? Abogado ka?
Hindi po.
Ano? Ay, tawagan mo yung abogado mo?
Tol, si Alex. Kasi kanina wala pang warrant there. Sir, he used to be, sir, also
Our upper class
club.
Vision Commander, 60 million.
PC din
Ko, I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but you know, this is a serious matter.
They just transmitted to me, sir, a copy of the... Kanina, sir, nire-request ko na magpagbigyan lang kayo na makauwi sa bahay, makakuha ng mga gamit. Kasi wala pang warrant of arrest until we get a copy of the warrant of arrest. Kasi yun man yung requirement.
That is the only
They're saying,
legal
but they
thing.
now, sir,
Yan ang mangyayari dyan.
I-live mo yun na. Bong, meron akong number, Bong. Meron akong cellphone na pwede lang matawagan niya si Atty. Torion.
Sige na, puro abogado ito dito.
Hindi daw siya makakonect eh. Parang ginaan ating cellphone.
Mag-muna. At this point, I do not need him. Before you deprive a person, even for a minute, you must have a legal basis. So, show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Mr. President.
Pantingan, sir.
Yes, sir. I understand, Mr. President. The decision to bring you here is not a decision that was made by us. The report, hindi po namin decision. Opo.
Can you come here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.